Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create your own alarm for GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening it up, if you do not already have it, just go and install it from the App Store, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where you can get started. As you can see, finding the instruments we want to play. As you can see, we have the drums right here, keyboard we can plug in and play, and so on. We also have the audio recorder option, which is the option that we are going to be using today. You can go ahead and make your own ringtone using all the instruments, but I do not want the instruments. I already have my MP3 file that I want to turn into your alarm, and you can record yourself as well and your song right here in the audio recorder section. So guys, once you have gotten your MP3 file that you want to turn in alarm, you can go into the upper left corner right here, click on edit mode. That's going to turn it into edit mode right here, and in the upper right corner now we have the button that's going to enable us, as you can see, browse items from the files app. This is the option that's going to enable us to browse our files and find our MP3 file that we want to use as an alarm. So you can go ahead and open it up. As you can see, after opening it up, it's going to appear right here and we can get started. And now let's go ahead and see after adding it. Now in the upper left corner you can click on the arrow pointing downwards. After clicking that arrow, as you can see, you can click on my songs. After clicking on my songs, this is now going to open up this folder where we can see all our project saves, and once you hold a long hold on your project save that you want to turn into alarm, we'll have a share option. After clicking share, as you can see, now we can go ahead and export it as a song that we're going to go ahead and be using as alarm. So export the song, it's going to be saved into your files app, and now go into your alarm clock app, and there you can go and select your new mp3 file. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.